Good afternoon, guys. Shane here for the Log Life. For the most part, we have the anatomy of this milled log home completely finished. The next step, to ensure that the dry-in phase is complete, I needed to install the windows and doors. Now to do that, on these milled openings, I need to frame in with 2x6 and seal those in before I can install the windows and doors. And this is how I'm going to show you to do this. So roughly all the way around the window we have a 1/4 inch. That's the rule of thumb that we're having here with these windows for installation on new construction. So I need to have a 39-inch opening, okay? Because sandwiched 2x6s together is 3 inches. I'm dealing with 36 inches on my opening by 64 inches. Okay? So I have 64 here. The window size is 36 by 60. So I'm fine with framing in 2x6s on the sides. Now I need to trim out the tongue, put a flat piece in, seal that up, and I need to make my marks here. Chainsaw cut this out, Aussie it down, and then put my style on the bottom here so I can frame in for the window. Real simple. Little handiwork with the chainsaw. We'll show you how it's done. First part I need to do is I need to come down to 39 inches because that's my mark. That's my mark where I need to make my cut. Okay? So, we'll make my mark at 39 inches. We'll get our level mark out across here. And I use the stability. Pretty much there we are. Alright, I'm going to make another mark on the outside here just to ensure that when I'm cutting with my chainsaw, everything is nice and level. Having a good level and one that's going to be able to reach your window opening is a key factor, especially when you're doing log homes, which you have a lot of trapezoid windows and just a lot of glass in general for chalet style construction. So a good 6-foot level is key. Okay, well, let's take a couple measurements here just to see what we have. From outside edge of log to the Swedish cope, we got 2 3/8. From outside edge to Swedish cope, we got 2 3/8. So that tells me that I'm level on both sides. Coming off my Swedish cope, which on a milled log, I know that's perfect. Okay, so just a few techniques that you need to keep up with and to know in your head that just reference points, if you will. So I'm gonna fire up the chainsaw and we're gonna start cutting this.